Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the culinary world with 10 incredible kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. From effortless egg peeling to baking fresh bread at home, these tools are designed to save you time and elevate your culinary skills. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, these gadgets are sure to inspire your next culinary adventure. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. The Chefman Exact Temp multifunctional digital air fryer takes precision cooking to the next level with an integrated cooking thermometer that ensures perfect results every time. Featuring 28 cooking preset options for effortless one-touch operation, it even provides flip and rest notifications so you never overcook your food again. Enjoy versatility with air frying, rotisserie, roasting, baking, and dehydrating, all while preparing healthier meals up to 3x faster than a traditional oven. The bonus spit lets you create the perfect rotisserie chicken, while the spacious 12-quart capacity makes it ideal for family-sized meals. Need extra crunch? Just press the high fry button for an ultra-crispy finish. The Cuisinart automatic bread maker delivers fresh, homemade bread effortlessly with its compact design and powerful functionality. It offers 3 crust options, light, medium, or dark, and multiple loaf sizes, including 1, 1.5, and 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you can bake a variety of bread types, from gluten-free to artisan loaves, along with jams and sauces. The LED display is easy to read and includes a bake-only function, plus a 13-hour delay start, ensuring perfectly timed fresh bread. A viewing window and interior light let you monitor progress without losing heat, while the removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a breeze. The Instant Pot Duo electric pressure cooker makes healthy and delicious one-pot meals effortlessly, delivering fast flavor with up to 70-degree less cook time. Its redesigned easy steam release ensures smooth operation, taking you from breakfast to dinner to dessert with ease. This 7-in-1 powerhouse replaces multiple appliances, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. Whether you're whipping up a quick, healthy meal or preparing an amazing feast, the Instant Pot Duo simplifies cooking while locking in rich flavors. The Countertop Ice Maker is a compact, powerful 26 pounds portable ice maker with a sturdy handle, making it easy to carry anywhere. Simply add water, and in just 6 minutes, enjoy 9 perfectly shaped ice cubes producing up to 26 pounds daily. Perfect for chilling your cold drinks, Americanos, or iced coffee to kickstart your morning. Elevate your fruit punch with fresh ice whenever you need it. With a 1.3 pounds ice storage basket, you'll always have enough for any occasion. Press and hold on-off for 5 seconds to activate the self-cleaning mode, which runs for 30 minutes, ensuring a hassle-free and hygienic experience. This isn't just ice, it's the good ice, crafted for fine living and ultimate refreshment. Seal, preserve, and enjoy with the NutriChef Automatic Vacuum Sealer, designed to lock in freshness and nutrients effortlessly. Keep fruits, vegetables, and dry foods at their peak while ensuring mess-free sealing for juicy foods like marinades, steaks, and seafood. Simply avoid covering the vacuum nozzle with the bag for optimal results. No more stale snacks. Every bite stays crispy and fresh. Extend the life of every bottle for flavorful wine anytime. Whether you're meal prepping or storing leftovers, this vacuum sealer makes it easy to seal, store, and stay fresh. Get your NutriChef vacuum sealer today and elevate your kitchen game. Crisp and Bake 4-Slice Toaster Oven, the #1 brand in toaster ovens, brings you 5 cooking functions: air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, so you can enjoy deep-fried taste without the fat. With air fry technology, it delivers crispy perfection using little to no oil. Even Toast technology ensures evenly toasted slices, while its spacious interior fits a 9-inch pizza or up to 4 slices of bread. The 30-minute timer provides precise cooking, and the included baking pan, baking rack, and crisper basket offer versatility. A removable crumb tray makes cleanup easy, and the EasyView glass door lets you monitor your food. Designed with style and convenience in mind, upgrade your kitchen today. The electric meat grinder features a powerful 3/4 HRPU 575-watt pure copper motor, delivering high efficiency for fast and consistent meat grinding. Its rifled head design and large bite auger ensure smooth operation, minimizing meat clogging for effortless processing. equipped with multi-size grinding plates, including a coarse 10 mm and fine 4.5 mm option. This grinder allows you to achieve the perfect texture for various recipes. Capable of grinding up to 4 pounds of meat per minute, it's ideal for home kitchens. The 2-in-1 function includes a sausage stuffing attachment, making homemade sausages quick and easy. Designed for convenience, its easy-to-clean parts can be quickly disassembled and washed for hassle-free maintenance. The Rotary cheese grater makes kitchen tasks easier, working 20 times faster to save time and effort. Get perfect grinding, shredding, and slicing results for food preparation. The pusher ensures safe operation, while the bionic suction base locks securely for stable cutting. Features 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades for versatile use. Made from BPA-free food-grade ABS material for durability. The transparent barrel with an inclined curvature prevents jamming. Fully detachable design for easy cleaning and top-rack dishwasher safe. The Easy Egg Stripper Deluxe Multi-Egg Peeler makes peeling eggs effortless with its patented elliptical design and interior nodules that quickly loosen shells as you shake. Simply add water, drop in your eggs, snap the lid on, and shake 4 to 12 times to see the shells slide off instantly. This compact and durable BPA-free plastic gadget can peel up to 5 eggs at once, saving you time in the kitchen. The crystal-clear design lets you monitor progress, while its dishwasher-safe construction ensures easy cleaning. For best results, cool eggs in an ice bath before use. Perfect for making deviled eggs, egg salad, or adding eggs to your favorite dishes. The Full-Star 3-in-1 Mandolin Slicer is designed for effortless and safe meal prep, featuring safety gloves and interchangeable slicing blades that can be swapped in just 1 second. With 3 precision blades, including a julienne blade and slicing blades, it allows you to create perfect cuts for fruits, vegetables, and more. The spacious catch tray ensures a mess-free experience, while its easy-to-clean design makes cleanup a breeze. Cut your prep time in half and enjoy a fun, quick, and simple way to prepare meals with this versatile kitchen essential. Thanks for joining us on this kitchen gadget journey. We hope you found some inspiration to upgrade your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try. Remember, at TechGrid Zone, we're all about bringing you the best in tech and innovation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tech trends and reviews. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.